you don't have to be a creator naman para magbasa ng mga facts about dog nutrition. I feel like reading the ingredients, finding out what's good for your fur baby is also part of responsible parenting.
Yep.
Diba?
That's
Diba?
very
Ganda nun!
good. Galing mo talaga. You're so smart.
Petmara Podcast.
Hi, Fur Parent. Welcome to the second episode of the Petmara Podcast. Where in this show, we will talk about pet tips, pet discussion, and pets' overall health. We want to promote responsible fur parenting. Therefore, we want to advocate giving our pet the best nutrition for a lifetime with our major sponsor, Petmara. For today's video, we're going to talk about Iya's life with not just one, not just two, but 20. Emphasis on the 20, the most beloved breed in the world, Shih Tzu. Without further ado, let me introduce my guest. She's a full-time content creator with almost 60,000 followers on TikTok. She's also the social media director from a multinational advertising company. She's an entrepreneur, and again, she owns 20 Shih Tzu. Without further ado, let me introduce Iya Saturno.
Hello! Thanks for having... Ganda naman ang intro. Wow.
Yes, of course.
Entrepreneur!
Entrepreneur. I love that.
Social! Ganun. Small business owner lang.
Ay, grabe siya.
Charing.
Walang small, tandaan natin yan. We have to be proud of
Yes.
what we have right now. So, katulad nga ng sinabi ko, you have 20 Shih Tzu. Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh ka
That
talaga.
is amazing! So, sino nag-aalaga sa kanila ngayon?
Actually, before, ako lang, during the work from home setup sa work ko. Pero now na hybrid na, kumuha na ako ng yaya nila.
Ay, taray, may yaya.
Kailangan na eh.
Grabe yun eh, kasi ako pa lang ha, I have 6. Kasi 4 yung dogs ko and then 2 yung cats.
Yes.
Pero ang struggle ko everyday. Pero
I can
sa'yo,
imagine.
20, di ba? So
Oo.
parang, we actually invited you para ma-dissect natin yung story mo, yung
Yes.
daily life of having 20 Shih Tzu. And that is so amazing. Are you ready?
Ready!
Let's
Thanks
go.
for having me!
Oh, thank you for coming and salamat kasi you are here to share a responsible for parenting,
Yes.
which is kung ano yung pinaka-advocate ng Petmara Podcast. Given that, what comes to mind? Kung bakit nag-alaga ka ng 20 Shih Tzu, paano siya nagsimula?
Okay, actually, hindi ko naman siya plan na magkaroon ng 20 Shih Tzus. So talagang maniwala ka sa akin, wala siya sa plano ko. But nag-start siya with 2 of my Shih Tzus lang. Si Cody and Ariel. And then parang gusto kong magkaroon ng sarili ko. So, yung first time na yon, nagpatawag ako ng, ano nga tawag sa, shooter. Yun.
So,
Tapos,
okay, get.
parang gumawa pa ako ng birth plan for Ariel. Tapos, chinek ko pa if in heat siya. So, it was really planned. So, I had that. Tapos, nagkaroon ako ng 3 dogs. So, si Toby, si Kirby, and si Bailey.
So, naging 5.
Naging 5. And then, yun lang talaga yung gusto ko. Yun lang talaga. As in, parang sabi ko, okay, I'm blessed with 3 puppies na aalagaan ko, like on my own. Kasi yung first 2, yung dad and mom nila, sa tito ko and sa sister ko. So, gusto ko sa akin. So, I'm blessed with them. And then afterwards, nag-procreate na sila on their own. Si Cody and Ariel. So, until nagkaroon ng second litter and third litter. So, naging 6 na. And then, nagkaroon ng another litter, naging 8 na. And then afterwards, na-meet ako ng another pet owner. Meron ka namang 8 na Shih Tzus. Dagdagan kaya natin. Sabi ko, bigyan pa kita ng isa pa. So, he gave me another one. So,
kasi kaya pa yun eh.
kaya mo pa yun. Mahilig ka naman, diba? Ganyan. So, binigyan pa niya ako, which is si Macy, a girl siya. And then, I have a lot of boys. So, sila rin mismo, without me, parang making ways to magkaroon sila ng baby. na-procreate din sila.
Yeah, yes.
So, good thing naman hindi sila magkakapatid. So,
Oo.
kaya ayun, hanggang dumami hanggat nagkaroon na sila ng kanya-kanyang litter nila. And that's how I have 18 now currently. Actually 20 in total, but 2 of them passed away because of sickness.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
So, medyo paranoid ako pag may kakasakit na aso. Oo.
Grabe yung alaga nun, no? So,
Kasi I experienced parvo
mhm.
for my first dog na namatayan ako. And
Yeah.
then, yung second one naman, old age. So, 12 years old na siya. Yung dad nila, na Billy.
12 years old. Pero grabe yung maintenance,
Grabe.
no? Tapos, 20 Shih Tzu na sila, doon namatay yung 12-year-old mo na
Yes,
dog.
oo. 20 na sila noon.
Ang galing mo. Wow.
Yun yung goal ko. Goal ko na tumanda sila ng gano'n.
Silang lahat.
Oo. Sana, hopefully.
Of course,
Oo.
yes. Ngayon na you have 20 Shih Tzu, I wonder kung paano nagsisimula yung araw mo. Can you give us a gist of your daily life kung paano nangyayari? Kasi ako personally, nagigising ako, may pasok ako ng 8 a.m. because I
Yes.
have day job. Pero nagigising ako ng 5 or 6 a.m.
To
kasi
take
I
care
have
of
to,
them.
yes, kailangan kong linisan yung cat litter sand and
Correct.
everything. Kasi kailangan kong makip yung masanitize lahat ng area. 6 pa lang sila.
6 pa lang.
Kailangan ko ng effort ng ganon.
Oo.
Pero kumusta yung 20?
Well, ako, ever since na I got a helper, it made the load lighter for me. Pero I wake up every day at around 6 to 7 a.m. Kasi work from home ako most of the time.
Okay.
So my work starts at 9. So, yung pagising ko up until 9 o'clock, I make sure to check them. Kasi syempre lahat sila kailangan ng attention eh.
Yeah.
So, yung iba natutulog sa room ko. Minsan sila pa yung gumigising sa akin. Like, dinadaganan nila yung face ko. So, yun yung una kong ginagawa. I check on every morning. I make
Yeah.
sure to clean their water bowl. To make sure that they have food. So, free feeding kasi sila. And then, the rest of the day naman, since I work from home, they stay with me lang. So, dyan lang sila sa gilid. And behave sila. So, ang nice to have, I think one of the perks of having 20 Shih Tzus is meron na silang kanya-kanyang friends. So, hindi sila nabobore.
May mga pack. na
Meron
din.
silang sub-unit.
Yes,
kumbaga.
mga sub-unit.
Oo, meron. So, hindi sila nabobore, hindi sila malungkot. Kaya, and my family ko din loves dogs. So, part sila of the people who give them attention din.
Yeah. Okay. Malaking part doon sa sa everyday life natin, 'di ba? Na parang malaking tulong. Okay, maganda na meron tayong helper.
Yeah.
Maganda na at nagigising tayo ng maaga to fix everything, to sanitize the area or something.
Yes.
Pero maganda rin na when it comes to financial wise, meron ka na kasama katulad ng tinatawag na co-parent.
Co-friend.
And I know that you have your partner.
Well, hindi na. Parang, okay, so this is personal, but my co-friend,
Yeah.
we broke up parang 3 months ago. So, siya rin naman yung reason kung bakit I love dogs. But
Yeah.
right now, I'm my own na. Oh, yak!
Ang hirap
Charis!
nun. Actually, that gives extra juiciness
Yeah.
of from this topic. Kasi 'di ba normally malaking tulong sa atin na meron tayong partner.
Yeah, kasi when you see pet owners,
Yeah.
may mga friends din ako na meron talaga silang partner. Like, yun yung baby nila eh. So,
Yes.
I know a couple of people na talagang they take care of their dogs. Like, silang dalawa. So, right now, we broke up
Yeah.
because of, siguro we grew apart. But, ako lang muna and my family, taking care of them.
Go for parenting siya, 'di ba? Paano siya?
Yes.
So parang of course may personal attachment na din yung partner mo
Yeah.
doon.
So, right now, we haven't really settled on how we parang co-parent our dogs. Pero, let's see. Let's see if ma-fix namin whatever we have. But yun nga, I'm sure namimiss na din yung mga dogs namin.
Yeah. So, we've actually worked before. And
Yeah.
nakita ko na you're very intricate when it comes to details.
Yes.
And the ingredients of the food that you're
Oo.
giving to your fur baby. Paano ka naging ganon? Paano ka naging Iya the best fur mom researcher?
Okay, so honestly, thank you for calling me that. Sobrang achievement yan for me. But nag-start yan when I started becoming a content creator. Parang as a content creator, I feel like meron akong responsibility to always be transparent sa mga sinashare ko, sa mga nire-recommend ko. And before that, I have to read the ingredients. I make sure na safe sila. Kasi I have 20 dogs. So
Yeah.
parang I know the feeling na baka ma-harm sila. And I don't want that to happen to any other dog. So before I promote something or I share something, I recommend something, binabasa ko. And I went out of my way pa nga to study an online course. So I took up canine nutrition online.
That is why.
Kasi gusto ko talagang not only to parang back up what I'm recommending, but also to support yung mga fur parents asking questions. May isang comment nga doon, akala nila vet ako. Sabi ko, mama, hindi po ako vet. Pa-check niyo po yung aso niyo. Siguro, parang how I describe siguro yung mga products.
Yeah. Kasi ako mismo personally, kapag kailangan ko din ng mga food prep,
Yes.
pupunta ako dun sa TikTok
I
mo.
thank you.
Ang ganda na kung paano mo siya ina-arrange and then dinidiscuss mo doon kung ano yung maganda na alternative food para sa fur baby mo when they are sick or magandang food when they're pregnant or kapanganganak pa lang, when they're lactating. Ang very interesting ng mga story. Paano nagsimula yun? Bakit mo naisipan na maging Iya, the fur mom of Shih Tzu?
Talagang nag-google lang. I want kasi na whenever I share something, I educate them na rin.
Yeah.
So parang hindi ko lang siya basta nire-recommend na gawin nyo to, gawin nyo to. I want them to know bakit nyo siya kailangan gawin. So ako si Miss Google. Lagi ako nag-google. I mean, it's good rin. It's a good partner rin if you want to learn more about nutrition. So, lagi ko muna chine-check yun before I share. So, ayoko kasing mag-share ng mali. Kasi ayoko ma-harm yung mga dogs ng followers.
Saka babalikan ka nun eh.
Oo.
Diba? Example, nakapag-share ka ng mali sa kanila and then they tried it. Tapos
Yes.
na-harm yung fur baby nila.
Yes,
That is-
exactly. And the internet is very cruel.
Yep.
So, if
one
magkamali
wrong
ka,
move.
one wrong move, edi makaka-cancel ka
Damn,
na.
yes.
So, I try to avoid that then as much as possible.
So talagang tayong mga katulad ninyo pala na mga
Yes.
Influencers, you gotta have to use your platform really well,
Yes.
no? Na if you really wanna educate people regarding sa kung anong mga craft mo or you wanna share something, you really
Yeah.
have to do your study.
Correct.
So it's not just it doesn't just apply sa mga influencers like you. Sa ating mga katulad din namin mga
even,
fur parents.
Oo, fur parents like you. For example, you don't have to be a creator naman para magbasa ng ng mga facts about dog nutrition. I feel like reading the ingredients, finding out what's good for your fur baby is also part of responsible parenting.
Yep.
Diba?
That's
Diba?
very
Ganda nun.
good. Galing mo talaga. You're so
Parenting.
smart. Ako personally, di ba? I have 6 pets in the house. Pero, nagsastruggle na ako sa paglilinis, ganyan, when it comes to pagsasanitize ng area and grooming them. So, it'll take me, ako pa personally, the whole day. Kasi yung pagpapatuyo sa kanila, yung paglilinis sa bahay, yung para properly sanitize. And I know that you have your assistant sa bahay.
Yes.
Pero how do you make sure, how do you secure the cleanliness and how do you groom them?
Yeah.
At the same time, logistic-wise, it's very interesting, di ba? Na 20 sila.
Paano sila i-groom?
Paano mo ginugroom? Paano ginugroom?
Oo nga.
Paano yung pagpunta sa vet?
Yeah.
Ang dami. It's really interesting. Can you tell us something about
Sige,
us?
so yung first is yung cleaning. So I'm lucky nga to have a helper to help me. Pero ako rin at the same time, nagpupulot ako ng poop. So ang normal na tao, pag nilinis ng bahay, di ba, once a day lang,
Yeah.
walis lang, mop, okay na. Kami, 3 times a day kasi we have to clean after them talaga. And dami nila eh. So parang, when you think about having 20 dogs, ang unang isipin nila, amoy aso yung bahay nyo,
Yes.
no? Ganyan. I can't have that because I have a senior then at home. I have my tito at home na may comorbidity.
Yeah.
So, in my head, kailangan malinis tong bahay namin.
Yeah.
So, round the clock, linis talaga. And I'm lucky na yung mga aso ko. Well, yung iba, potty trained. So, yung iba, dun sila nagpo-poop and pee sa veranda. Open area siya na parang garden. Madaling linisin. But actually, yung mga dogs ako na nagwiwiwi sa bed.
Hindi talaga maiiwasan,
Hindi talaga
no?
maiiwasan eh. It's the reality of
Yeah.
owning multiple dogs kasi hindi mo sila, wala kang parang privilege of training all of them. So, pag yung iba nagwiwiwi talaga, nagpo-poop sa bed. So, pag ganun, I make sure to change the sheets all the time. I invested in a waterproof bedding. Ang dami talaga kasama. So, yun yung for the cleaning part. So, kailangan malinis talaga yung house. And secondly, yung logistics. Actually, recently, pinag-groom ko sila. Pero yung grooming nila, kailangan 2 days. So, dahil hindi ko sila kayang ilagay sa car lahat and sa grooming, nagpatawag ako ng home service groomer.
Yeah.
So, yung groomer namin, si Kuya, kakauya lang nga lang kahapon eh. Pumunta siya ng bahay ng 9 o'clock, natapos siya 7 p.m. And that's just 10 dogs. Bumalik pa siya the next day to have another round, which is yung 8 dogs
Oh my
naman.
gosh.
Wala akong makukunda ka magkano.
Magkano nagastos mo?
Baka 7,000 ako
Wow!
for all of those 2 days. So, ganun yung logistics for me. So, I try to find ways na sila yung pupunta.
And you do that how often?
Every 3 months.
7,000 every 3 months.
Yes. Yung iba,
That's just for grooming.
That's for grooming lang yun. Minus pa yung vaccines.
Yeah.
So, yung vaccines naman, nakahanap rin ako ng way. Kasi 'di ba pag vaccines, kailangan ilagay mo sila sa car.
Yeah.
Pipila ka sa doktor. Ako, ang ginawa ko, kumuha rin ako ng home service vet. So, I'm thankful sa mga businesses na may ganito.
Yeah.
Merong home service vet and grooming. Kasi ideal siya for parents like me na 20 yung dogs.
Yeah, you with multiple
Oo.
dogs, no? You really gotta have to do your due diligence, no?
Yes.
Sa mga part na yan.
So, kailangan maparaan ka. Kasi,
Yes.
or else mahirapan ka. Like,
Yes.
kanina lang, naglagay ako ng diaper sa kanila. Pawis na pawis ako. As in,
Pawis na pawis ka na, nakapag-ayos ka pa ng kilay.
Buti maayos ako today. Pero kanina talaga, hinahabol ko sila. So, that alone, ang hirap.
Yeah.
So, yun, I try to find ways to help me rin. Para hindi siya, I don't want to put the burden on them na parang dami-dami kong aso, hindi ko na magawa yung mga kailangan kong gawin or malagaan sila. Instead, naghahanap na lang ako ng mga paraan that could help me, like yung mga home service.
Pero alam mo ba yung home service, it's actually extra payment pa, di ba?
Yeah, kasi they go to you pa, yung pamasahe pa nila.
Yep.
So, additional talaga siya. Actually, mas mahal talaga yung vaccines din, especially pag home service.
Iba yung commitment na meron ng pagkakaroon ng multiple dogs, no?
Yes, commitment talaga siya.
Hindi lang siya, kailangan mong mag-commit sa time. At the same time, you gotta be ready na gumastos
Time,
talaga. No?
money,
Yeah.
and even yung physical, kasi you have to take care of them.
Yep.
Lahat. So, you have to be emotionally, physically, financially, mentally prepared for having this much dogs.
Naaalagaan mo pa ba sarili mo?
I try. Well, kasi, honestly, yung mga dogs ko chill naman.
Yeah.
So, hindi sila yung mga golden retriever kind na you need to walk them every day.
Yeah.
So, I make sure to take care of myself. Kasi, para rin yung pag may anak ka, diba? Ang mga moms, we encourage our moms na dapat alagaan mo sarili mo kasi pag hindi mo alagaan sarili mo, how can you take care of your baby?
Yeah.
So, yun yung same mindset ko na kailangan healthy rin ako para malagaan ko sila.
Yes, exactly. That, parang na-remind tuloy sa akin yung sinabi ni Mama Ru, no? Na sinabi niya, if you can't love yourself, how you're gonna love somebody else? So, magsisimula yun sa'yo. You gotta have to, kahit gaano kadami yung mga fur babies mo, you gotta have to love yourself.
Yes.
Find time to love yourself.
Kailangan healthy ka,
Yes.
mentally prepared
Exactly.
ka.
Para yun yung mabigay mo din sa mga fur babies
Correct.
mo. It's a full commitment magkaroon ng multiple dogs. And that is why it's very important itong ginagawa nating podcast to enlighten people na nagpaplano na magkaroon ng mga fur babies. Or accidentally magkaroon ng fur baby.
Accidentally.
So
accidentally.
you don't want to have 20 Shih Tzu, but it just happened.
Yeah, it actually, you will rarely hear this from someone na maraming dogs. Pero I didn't plan talaga to have this much.
Yeah.
Actually, while wala akong regrets now, if meron lang akong choice back then, I would have spayed or neutered them earlier. Syempre, kahit marami akong dogs, I don't want to push people rin na, okay lang yan. Mag-aso ka pa.
Oo, padamihin mo.
Padamihin mo. Kaya ko nga ganyan.
Oo.
But honestly, I want to tell them the truth na actually hard. Unless you really want it,
Yeah.
then why not, diba?
Yeah.
But, of course, iba pa rin yung nabibigay ng alaga ng konti lang because the attention is undivided.
Yep. And you get to focus and train them one by one.
Yes, oo, correct. So, may mga cons talaga of having
Yeah.
many dogs.
So that's good. That's good
yeah.
to know na I mean, it's at some point na reverse to them na na the fact na you have 20 Shih Tzu but you discourage them to have multiple dogs, pets.
Oo,
diba?
kasi I think one of the reasons why I realized din this one, kahit I love them so much, is nung namatayan ako ng dog. Kasi nung namatayan ako ng dog last 2021, sobrang traumatizing niya. And in my head, I have to go through this 19 more times.
Oh my
So
gosh.
parang baka hindi ko nakayanin to. Imagine going through that phase again.
Yeah.
19 more times. Ang hirap. Grabe yung parang nadaddrain talaga yung mind mo. So, doon ko siya napagtanto. Parang shocks, ang hirap.
So, what's your plan in the future?
Right now, two of my dogs, female dogs, are spayed na.
Yeah.
And then, my plan for the other 4, kasi 6 lang yung females ko.
Yeah.
The rest are males na. Is ipa-spay din yung the last 4 females. So, 2 out of 4. Ay, 2 out of 6. Hindi marunong mag-math. 2 out of 6 spayed na. And actually, yun yung plan ko. Gusto nila before ipa-adopt ko. Pero yung family ko mismo discourages me to do so.
Kasi part na sila ng family, di ba?
At mga parents ko gusto rin na merong dogs around.
Yes.
So, I'm lucky.
Yeah.
I'm lucky na supportado sila.
Yes, you get the support from your family
Yes.
too. Kasi maraming mga family dyan. Isa pa nga lang, di ba, dinidiscourage
Oo.
na, ay, wag ka magkaroon ng ganyan.
Yeah.
Katulad ng last episode namin, na pag-usapan namin na marami dun sa mga family pa nila na, ay, wag kang magkaroon
Sino
ng
mag-aalaga?
ka mag-alaga ng fur babies, ng pet. Kasi pangit yan sa bahay, makalat yan,
Yes,
ganyan.
correct.
Pero, ang galing no, na parang nare-reverse din siya, na parang ayaw
lucky.
nila.
Sila yung may ayaw actually.
Pero nako-convert sila,
Oo.
at the end of the day nagugustuhan din
Sila
nila
na nga
yung
yung mas may love
may gano'n, 'di ba? Yun yung
Oo.
naging last na topic
Yun.
namin. So it's super amazing story. At ito yung next question ko. Do you plan on expanding them pa?
Hindi na.
I mean, do you plan on
having more?
para magkaroon ka ng mga kennel, something like that?
No na talaga. As in, parang, if pwede lang, ito na talaga yun. Kasi, this year, I want to focus on them na. Versus having another batch of litter, ganyan. And then, yung kennel, it's a possibility. But, I have to study more about it kasi gusto ko responsible breeding.
Tama.
So let's see maybe in the future. But right now, as of today, 3 p.m., maybe muna.
May 22, 3 p.m.
3 p.m. Baka
Hindi
bago
muna.
yan, pero let's see.
Yes, that's really good na na sinasabi mo na I really have to be prepared of it.
Yes.
Alam mo yon, sa lahat ng actions mo, they're not just pet.
Oo.
You gotta be fully committed and you gotta be prepared.
Yeah, kasi kapag kennel, you have to register them
Yeah, mga ganun.
as a breeder, ganyan. So, let's see maybe in the
Study
future.
it more pa.
Oo.
Maybe in the future, you're not closing it, pero
Oo, not naman. Kasi, I love my dog. Sobrang bait nila.
Yeah.
Ewan ko, baka bias lang ako. But I love their line.
Yeah.
Yung Cody, yung 12-year-old senior dog ko, who passed away. Champion line siya. So, I want to keep that rin. And mabait talaga nila eh. Sobrang cute nila.
Yeah.
So, maybe, let's see in the future.
Oo.
But right now, hindi pa siguro.
Ang galing nun, no, na meron talaga silang meron silang di ba, per litter, meron silang
Yes.
kanya-kanyang ugali. Na parang
Meron.
madidistinguish mo, this attitude is...
Oo, anak ni Macy.
Exactly, ugali yan ni ganyan
Oo,
eh.
para talaga yun sa tatay niya. Ganon.
Para talaga silang tao,
Para
no?
sa tao talaga. As in, alam mo yung mga different quirks nila.
Yeah.
Nakakatawa kasi they all have different personalities.
That's really good.
Oo.
Speaking of personality, di ba? Na makikita mo na this one is really separated from this one.
Yes.
And kailangan mo silang pakisuyuan. Kailangan mong mag-adapt sa personality neto.
Correct.
You gotta adjust sa gagawin neto kasi ito yung
Yeah.
personality na. Can you share us something, your story about different personalities
Adjusting.
of your... Yeah.
So, dahil memorize ko yung mga dogs ko, iba-iba talaga sila.
Yeah.
So, meron akong set ng dogs, yung first letter, si Toby, Bailey, Kirby. Tahimik lang sila.
Yeah.
Gusto lang nila sa bahay, nakahiga lang sa bed. They rarely play. Since bata sila, ang galing, ang tahimik nila. And then, meron naman akong dog na sobrang harot na nagzuzoomies sa bed ko. So, iba-iba talaga sa. Tapos meron din akong mga dogs na ayaw lumabas sa mall. So, if mapapansin nyo sa mga videos ko, may mga dogs ako na I bring to the mall
Yeah.
more often versus the other dogs. It's because yung personality niya mas gala. Parang tao rin. Parang mas gala. At meron na yung mga homebody. So, meron akong mga dogs rin like si Macy na ayaw talaga lumabas.
Yeah.
So, she's afraid of
Other people.
Oh, even when she was a puppy, so yun, I have to find out din kung ano yung mga bagay sa kanila.
Yes.
Sino yung pang-event.
Ginagala mo.
Oo. Sino yung pwede ko dalhin sa mall.
Yeah.
Sino yung pwede ko ipakilala sa friends.
Sino yung pang-exercise,
Oo, sino yung
panglabasan?
pang-exercise, sino pang jogging. So, meron kanya-kanya.
So, hindi ka ever maboboard kasi meron kang
Yes.
kasama, meron kang
Oo,
companion.
isang
Yeah.
malaking pamilya.
Yes, exactly. O, dalhin ko to ngayon si ganyan.
Oo, kasi parang bagay siya dito.
Yes.
Ganon.
Ang sarap-sarap na no, na hindi ka ever magiging alone. Kasi,
Yeah.
Yun lang yung pros siguro. Isa sa mga pros ng
Yeah.
pagkakaroon ng multiple pets, multiple dogs sa bahay. Na, example, may gagawin kang certain things. Mag-workout ako ngayon, lalabas ako, dalhin ko tong si
Yeah.
ganyan. Lagi kang hindi ka ever magiging mag-isa.
Yeah, you'll never feel alone
Yes,
talaga.
exactly.
I understand now
Yeah.
why dogs are called a man's best friend talaga.
Yeah.
Before I didn't. Sige, kwentuhan kita ng something na you don't know yet.
Sige!
So, nung high school ako, one of my, yung boyfriend ko that time, passed away. So, grabe. It's more than 10 years na. So, sabi ng friend ko, kailangan mong atan ng aso. So, parang ako, wag na. Parang hindi ko na makailangan yan. And that time, I was, I think 16. I'm 28 now. Hindi ko siya naintindihan.
Yeah.
And when I had my dogs, parang oo nga, no? Parang I feel like may reason talaga. Kasi dogs can feel
Your
what you're
emotion,
feeling.
what you
Oo.
feel, yeah.
They know when I'm sad. Pag umiiyak ako, they
Yeah.
lick my tears. Ang
Yeah.
galing, ang galing. It amazes me talaga how they connect to you.
Yes. And it's really amazing. Speaking of yung emotions,
Yeah.
meron ka bang isang moment na you feel alone and then mag-isa ka lang suddenly sa isang room mo. Tapos kinausap mo yung fur baby mo
Yeah.
and then you tell the story and then suddenly as if they're listening and then
Nakikinig sila.
you feel okay.
Sobrang daming times. Actually, recently, I've been dealing with anxiety rin. As in, napacheck up ako sa doctor.
Yeah.
And then, nag-complain ako about having palpitations,
Yeah.
and panic attacks. Tapos sabi niya, nothing's wrong with your heart, ganyan. That might be anxiety.
Yeah.
So, most of the time talaga, whenever I feel that, kahawakan ko lang yung aso ko.
Yeah.
Or iiyakan ko sila. Tapos didilaan nila yung face ko. Somehow, they try to make you feel better.
Yeah.
Ang galing. Actually, hindi lang siya one day. But ang dami kong beses na nag-breakdown over the past months.
And nandun sila to listen.
Yes, sobrang. Ang galing.
Yeah.
Ang nakaka-amaze.
Nandun
they
sila,
are.
ang sarap-sarap sa bahay na uuwi ka, no? Na ako nga kasi-
Masalubong sila sa'yo.
Exactly. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam nun kasi ako, yung ano ko palang, 4 dogs ko palang, pagpasok ko sa bahay, nakikita mo silang nagwiwigaw. Tapos
Oo, yung tail
nagtatalunan.
nila, ang
And they're
cute.
really excited
Yes.
na nandun ka na ulit, na nafe-feel nila yung presence mo.
Kasi they waited for you all day.
Exactly. How about 20?
Grabe,
Wow.
rumble talaga. As in, wild. Wild
Oo.
sila pag-uwi ko. Wild.
And the food, no?
Oo.
I wonder, paano ka nagpe-prepare? Speaking of food, kasi di ba sikat
Yeah.
ka sa mga contents mo na nagpe-prepare ka
Thank
ng
you.
food, ganyan. How do you prepare with it? Gaano katagal ka nagpe-prepare?
So, ako, I make sure to buy bowls for each.
Yeah.
So, parang parang tao lang, kanya-kanyang plato.
Yeah.
Kumbaga. So, yun yung una kong ginawa. Kasi ayoko mag-agawan sila. And then yung pag-prepare ko ay naabot minsan ng 1 hour kasi sometimes I cook fresh vegetables.
Yeah.
Binivideo ko pa for the content. So, unabot siya ng 1 hour and then nag-ask ako sa helper ko na tulungan mo ko i-distribute. Kasi or else, baka mag-agawan sila. Eh, syempre, ang dogs naman, may tendency sila na makipag-agawan sa food talaga.
Yeah.
Parang yun yung nature talaga nila. So, yun, sabay-sabay kailangan i-serve. Yun, that's how I prepare. Medyo, it's a task talaga.
Talaga, every
Oo,
day.
oo.
And do you cook every day sa kanila?
No, kasi parang I try to be realistic.
Yeah.
Na parang I'm a working girl,
Yeah.
corporate girl, and parang I don't really tell the people na mag-cook kayo every day. Hindi yung ideal kasi we have other things to do pa, diba?
To prioritize
Oo,
also.
to prioritize. So, what I did is I make sure to look for a good quality kibble. So, I use Petmara for my dogs.
For the-
yeah,
that's
to
good.
make sure na on those days na hindi ako nagluluto, mafe-fill pa rin yung nutrients na
Complete
need nila.
and balanced
Yes.
nutrition.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. That's really good.
Yes.
And thank you for bringing
Yeah,
that
sobrang
up.
love nila yan. As in, like, nilagay ko lang yung food. Kasi sometimes free feeding sila. In 5 minutes, ubus na. I think may lasa siya na they really like.
And it's actually BAI registered for those people who would like to know. It's not the lowest sodium content kasi at some point kailangan pa ng mga fur
Yeah.
babies natin ng salt, 'di ba? So it's actually a way to preserve the food.
Yeah.
Pero it's BAI registered. It's Bureau of Animal Industry registered as the lowest. Well, not the lowest. It's one of
the-
it has low sodium content.
Yeah, speaking of salt,
Yeah.
actually, I actually read about that rin. Kasi may nagko-comment sa akin, may salt yan, ganyan-ganyan. Parang I read about it na bad pa talaga ang salt sa kibble.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not pala kasi electrolyte siya.
Yep.
So, yun yung mga nalaman ko whenever
That's good.
electrolyte siya. So, actually, dogs need it, no?
Yeah.
Kaya yun, yung mga things na binabasa ko lang. Kasi I also want to explain sa audience ko na salt is, syempre, anything high, like super
Yeah.
high is bad. But the reason why salt is included sa kibble is it's part of the minerals na kailangan ng
That they need.
that they need.
Yeah, totoo yun na parang meron ng iniinom na parang to replace the electrolyte. And it comes with
electrolytes.
salt,
Mm-mm.
'di ba?
Yeah.
So not all the time. At least alam ng mga taong
Yeah.
nakikinig sa atin ngayon na not all the time salt are bad.
Yeah.
Diba?
Kasi, if you try nyo Google minsan, like, why salt is included in dog food.
Yeah.
There's a reason talaga behind it.
Mhm.
So, yun yung mga things na you'll know when you Google.
Yes. And then, yung mga na, speaking of responsible for parenting, when it comes to preparing food,
Yeah.
you gotta have to know yung mga active ingredients or
Correct.
food that toxic or non-toxic to them kasi pwede mong gamitin as alternative na
Yeah.
para example
Peanut
today
butter.
today hindi mo sila papakainin ng kibbles or today magpe-prepare ako ng food for them. So it's part of our responsibility to
Yeah.
really know ano yung mga products that are safe for them to eat. Yan.
Yeah, diba?
Yeah.
Oh, exciting.
So I think that's pretty much it. And thank you so much, Iya, on behalf of the Pet Mara podcast. We would really want to thank you for sharing your wonderful story. And I'm pretty sure maraming mga fur parent natin dyan na nagpaplano na magkaroon ng multiple dog.
Yeah.
Or accidentally magkaroon. They will learn from your story. And thank you so much because ako mismo personally, you've taught me of of a lot of things that I really have to do my due diligence to do my research
Yes.
every time na meron akong action preparing. Even dun sa everyday na ginagawa ko preparing their meal and their ano yung mga possible things that I can do para masolusyonan ko yung pagdami nila.
Yeah.
Siguro, last ko na lang, what is your, on the contrary of having
Yeah.
20 Shih Tzu, what is your super final advice to them?
I
Go on,
think
the floor is yours.
My super final advice, no, for parents who accidentally have more
Yeah.
more than 20 Shih Tzus like me, or kaya planning to, make sure na you are financially, emotionally, physically ready.
Yeah.
Kasi it's really a commitment. Just having one is a commitment already. How much more sa 20? And if ever, I'm also advocating for spaying and neutering. I actually appreciate yung mga people who advocate for that kasi it's also a responsible way of making sure na our pets are healthy and they don't procreate accidentally.
Sabi nga nila, protection bago umaksyon.
Yes! Naku yan!
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes. So if you want more of this video, give this
Yeah, make sure to
a thumbs up
Thumbs
and make
up.
sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to have a community, you want to talk to us or meron kayong request for an episode, make sure to comment down below kung ano yung gusto mong episode or anong topic yung gusto mo nang ma-highlight naman namin dito sa Petmara Podcast. So we also have our Facebook page, our Facebook community at Petmara Pomely. Maybe gusto mo ng companion or gusto mo ng kausap or gusto mo ng family to share your story or your struggle or something that you're dealing with. We have our people to listen and to assist. Okay? And I thank you on behalf of the Petmara.
Thank you also for having
Yes,
me.
yes.
Sobrang appreciate ko yung podcast na to kasi it gave me another platform to share my story and what I have learned so far as a fur parent of 20 Shih Tzus.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.